Hey guys, I'm John Kai of Pinnacle Investment Group, and I want to thank you for checking us out. In a bit here, I'm going to redirect you to the Pinnacle Letter, which is the inaugural version of our client newsletter that we'll send out to anybody that's subscribed to this blog. Now, in the Pinnacle Letter, we'll recap the previous month's activities. And in this case, we're going to be looking back at the month of July and what were some of the headlines that were capturing our attention all during the month of July. And first and foremost has got to be Greece. There was a lot of concern and anxiety about whether or not Greece was going to come to an agreement with the European Union, the Eurozone, and the powers that be. There was a lot of going back and forth going on, taking place between the Greek Parliament and the powers that be within the Eurozone. And there was concern that maybe perhaps it could be an exit of the euro, which would create a domino impact, a negative impact if that were to take place. In this case here, the Grexit or Greek exit never came to be. Instead, Greece bowed down and decided that they had to face the music and pay more and agree to more stricter covenants in relation to the loans that were extended to them. The other headline grabbing news, of course, was China's market meltdown. Now, up until the month of July, China in 1 year saw its Shanghai index increase by over 100%. And in the month of July, we saw the Shanghai index drop by about 30%. So that's a huge run up and a quick decline in a 1 month period. And a lot of people were concerned about that activity as well. So as we head into August, we can expect that there is going to be still some concern about Greece, but mostly the focus will be on China and what they do. And in this case, more recently, China decided that it was time to devalue their currency and allow the Chinese yuan, their currency, to float, and which put some pressure on all the other economies around the world. And we'll talk a little bit more about that in the upcoming issue of the Pinnacle Letter. So in the meantime, enjoy this letter. If you find it helpful, I'd love to get some feedback from you. And please do us a favor and share this with your family and friends or anybody else you think could use this sort of information. Again, I'm John Kai of Pinnacle Investment Group, and I want to thank every one of you for subscribing, and I hope you find this helpful. Aloha and have a great day.